Hi all, I'm Age. Welcome to Liquid Earth, a channel all about video and photography. If that interests you, consider subscribing. I'm posting 1 or 2 videos every week. Today's video is all about the iPhone live mode. So what is the live mode? Well, live mode enables you to take a picture that comes to life when you press and hold on the screen. It's taking a video 1.5 seconds before you press the shutter and 1.5 seconds afterwards. And then you have a series of clips within that video that you can save as separate key photos. Open up your camera app and go to Photo, and in the top right hand side you've got this little live symbol that you can turn off or on. Live is the recording, so we're going to take a picture with the live mode first of all. Remember, it's starting to record 1.5 seconds before and ends 1.5 seconds afterwards. Press the little icon on the bottom left hand side and then tap and hold your screen to see the live. All your live photos are saved together in a separate folder. If you go into your Photos app and then choose Live Photos, you can see a list of all of your live photos that you've taken there on the screen, all collated together. If we press on a live photo, then all we do is press and hold the screen and we can see the live photo there. So let's change the key photo. All we need to do is press the edit and then press the little live symbol in the bottom left hand side. So this is the key photo at the moment and it's represented by a little white dot, and this is when we press the shutter. If we scroll through, we can see before we press the shutter and after we press the shutter. And you might see a better photo that you want to make as your key photo. So let's choose this as our key photo and press done. Now in our photos, this is the default version. If you wish to, you can press this little save icon and you can duplicate this photo. And there's 2 options, duplicate it or duplicate as a still photo. The duplicate option will give you another live photo, and it's self-explanatory, a still photo will give you just that. So now if we go into all photos and recents, you can see this one is no longer alive, it's a still photo. So it's saved another version, and you can save as many copies as you want if there's more than one picture that interests you within that sequence. And there's lots more to live photos. You can apply all sorts of different effects to them. For example, long exposure, my favorite effect by far. Yes, you can now create long exposures with your iPhone. So I'm focusing here, I'm taking a live photo, then you just open your photo, scroll up, scroll to the left and then choose long exposure. And that's going to convert that picture into a long exposure effect. So take a look at the before here and then the after. What a great effect. This is great if you're taking a picture of moving clouds, waterfalls, water, something like that. Normally a feature that was only available with high-end cameras like a DSLR or a mirrorless. But now you can do it on your iPhone just by shooting a live photo and then changing it to long exposure. Let's show you a couple of examples. Let's have a look at some of the effects then. So I'm going to open one of my folders that I've created with a few live photos in it, and we're going to create some effects. Let's choose this one here, and then before we press the edit button, if we scroll up, we've got some effects along the bottom. By default it's in the live mode, but let's press loop, and what that does is loops the video over and over again for you. And now the default is the loop, so if we press and open the photo, you've got the loop effect applied to it. Let's choose this one, scroll up and we'll choose the next one, which is bounce. So bounce is similar, but it goes back and forward. If you've ever used boomerang, then it's the same effect. So quite a good little photo for this effect. So I've applied the bounce to that one, and then again in my photos, as soon as you open it, it's now got the bounce effect applied to it. Well, that's live photos. Hope you found it useful. You'll see links at the bottom, left and right, to videos that you might like. Thanks again for watching, really do appreciate your support, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.